Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by clarifying why you narrate this entry and who's speaking. Decide whether you want raw first-person immediacy or a reflective third-person distance. This choice guides tone. Once done, pick a focused goal, process a feeling, record an event, or craft a scene, and set practical constraints like word count or a 10-minute timer. Make sure to name the subject and the emotional lens. That focus props up every sentence you write next. You map a compact structure, a hook that pulls in the reader, a middle that develops the scene or thought, and a closing that clarifies insight. As you write, add sensory anchors, light, a sound, a texture, to ground the moment. 2 to 3 concrete details beat vague adjectives. Once you have content, thread in brief inner commentary explaining why this matters to you now, which transforms events into meaningful narration rather than a dry list. You finish by refining voice. Read the entry aloud and tighten sentences, alternating short commands with longer reflective lines to create natural rhythm. Make verbs stronger, swap vague nouns for concrete ones, and aim for one clear takeaway that the reader can hold. If you get stuck, switch perspective or give yourself a 5-minute free write to unstick emotion. That quick pivot often reveals the truest closing sentence and rescues a stalled narration.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.